late tonight through Tuesday morning. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. High winds in areas of heavy snow tonight and Tuesday. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast and north-central Colorado. For today and tonight, a winter storm will bring high winds to eastern Colorado tonight and Tuesday, with an area of heavy snow expected mainly south and east of Denver. Snow showers will develop over the mountains this afternoon, with rain showers on the plains. More widespread snow will develop this evening, with increasing rain on the plains. The rain will change to snow at elevations above 4,500 feet, including the Denver area this evening, with that change coming later tonight in the lower portions of the plains. The showers may be heavy at times, and brief bouts of heavy snow are possible this evening, but this will be localized. Later tonight, a more organized band of heavy snow is expected to develop from south of Denver east across the plains through Lyman and Akron. Strong north winds will develop this evening, especially over the plains. Wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour are expected along the I-25 corridor, with gusts to 60 miles per hour on the plains. Blizzard conditions will develop over portions of the plains after midnight, mainly south of Interstate 76 and southeast of the Denver metro area. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. The storm will move eastward on Tuesday, with strong winds continuing most of the day and snow ending from west to east. Blizzard conditions in areas west of Lyman should gradually improve in the late morning, although significant blowing and drifting snow will continue due to the strong wind. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado: Fort Collins, Briggsdale, and Greeley. High wind warning in effect from midnight tonight to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. What? North winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. Where? Fort Collins, Briggsdale, Greeley, Fort Morgan, Byers, and Sterling. When? From midnight tonight to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. Blowing dust will reduce visibility to less than a quarter mile in places. Blizzard conditions are possible in areas with enough snowfall, most likely in northeast Weld County. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. High winds in areas